Obulo Anambra Babeji. I've left that town, my mother net town, and I'm not a Baklik. Unewe, for him na mood before unewe. Guys, good evening. My name is Ebonyi. In case you are seeing my video for the first time, or in case you are seeing me for the first time, +23480. They come make an answer call. Good evening. Amaram Kurisi make sense. Ebuka somebody na say don't play with us here. Are you okay? Don't allow me block you. All kisha drug him. Ogwa go tell me phone. If na za call na say do you want me to hear? E cho any na ku na say don't mama block kwa here. Obi kisha drug him. See I post my video in the afternoon, you understand? And I post the video for a lot of comments and a lot of different types of comments. And I say, Ebonyi son, you are trying to create an enmity. See, I'm not going to say reason sometimes. And I see, I'm trying to create an enmity. Eba no bada boy Egbe, or Enugu State, or Abia State, or Imo State, or Cross River, or no Anambra State ana buy Egbe. Abadi Egbe Anambra State, and I wrote to there, Anambra security man shot a Basilica boy in Anambra State. On Enugu kana buy that Egbe called Lagos. Open that boy is Rory now. Open that boy is Rory. About Boya, I'm a Monday tag him. More than millions of people go tag me. More than 500 people will tag me. Open a double. This boy about Burina. This boy in Afia. Open those Rory. Moneji de Riebos Rory. More than 500 people will tag me. About his son, come and see your brother. Come and see your brother. I bring update. Let me play the voice note. My candy now say, how am I sure that the boy Ebonyi State? How am I sure? Education on Ebonyi State. From the right source, I have discussed with the parent of the boy. Phone before. They told me that the commissioner for police here can be here on Monday, and they are going to Anambra State on Sunday. You understand me? They are going to Anambra State, the parent of the boy, na Anambra State on Sunday to meet the commissioner of police of Anambra State. Before I break it down, so on Sunday, the parent of this boy, they are going to Anambra State to meet the commissioner for police. So I want to make it clear. Maybe tomorrow I will still going to make a video and thank our governor. Or better still, I will go to government house. Because this boy now in a this boss no more this boy me akia do cha o more this boy me o and that's that was another place makani na say why is he running if from do dogachi gbegbe the boy have to run because in Nigeria now they can even arrest you bogus allegation. This is Nigeria for you. Policeman can see you, security man can see you, arrest you, bogus allegation nisi and the boy guy in somewhere ni more here na Kume market ofunda we baba so Jumoke Temitope come out here, you go hear this one. No waste your data to watch me, oh. So no waste your data to watch this video because this one is mainly for Igbos. Ofundu Udogachi, and based on the story the boy na knew before, now Undugo Udogachi, they make the madaka hado or arrest. So the boy found out where so abaye be rap that was man friend in that place. He now I'm trying to bring discrimination. Otro bagbogi there. Open this tonight and say, but his son, the caption of the video, the boy on a crossback, the boy on a Lagos, on up on Anambra State. Open no Anambra Nebo State now, buy a here. I'm gonna be feeling that they are calling online. Ndochu. I'm gonna want some Anambra people with discrimination for 5 and 6. Some of Anambra people with discrimination for 5 and 6. I don't know why. Sometimes there's a lot of things I need to talk, but sometimes I close my mouth. I have a lot of things in my call here. Some of Anambra people with discrimination about 5 and 6. Now Igbo as a whole, and Igbo as a whole, here again Igbo state, rent your honor. In a chuna again, I'm asking where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? It's Niboya Boston. Again, he gave us state. I can say where are you from? It's Niboya Ebonyi. Again, he Gambia state. I say where are you from? It's Niboya number. Again, but once you go to Anambra, some people can say where are you from? Oh yeah, boy, am I going? I'm going to make sure. He say, why am I trying to be? Otore woro na bechu na anya de ndara agbaguru nwa mmadu ebo na anyu nshi onwere ifo me inas you understand me? Since if agbagbo obodo onye jide n'ori ifebe na ekpoku, I don't defend them because anybody can commit a crime. Nobody holy pass. I am not holy. Adrom holy. You are not holy. You understand me? My brother, we go God forbid. Which is not my portion. Which is not my prayer. But when it comes to discrimination and Igbo, joke apart, me and you will know. About discrimination, Anambra me A1. Joke apart. Is it because we close our mouth to name a channel? Just for peace to reign. I have lived there for many years. My experience, what I passed through, case I now need it. That's the reason why I sold my shop, come back to Ebonyi State here. That's why I sold my shop at Opiweka. Shop which Nanambra, come back to Ebonyi State here because of the discrimination.
Unknown caller.
In the Quran, say, give me. Oh, through Babupu, no, there, Ndara. Hello? You may even know this boy now, but the first son, not the breadwinner of that family. Never tell the family in Aganeri. I've been there before. I've gone poverty. I have fought with poverty. Oh, my father was the headmaster. He died earlier. Because of that, I suspend school. That's what my grandpa in the manner. If my father happens to be alive today, even Cheku before mass communication. Because my father was the headmaster. But because of poverty, my father died out of sickness. There's nobody to train me. I have to travel to Lagos. I've been there before. I've seen poverty. You understand? So imagine that this boy now, but now I want to be the breadwinner. Nebosi. from the parent. Ababu like this. It's a mature. Kanabara Chapaganya there. To Babuagi with Anambra State. If I begin to talk some of the things, some of the things my people pass through there, problem go there, but sometimes I close my mouth. Tombana chono, what if I bigger there? It doesn't make sure no they can in prison today because of all of us. Open they can discrimination in the men. Okay, they go to Ababu madu coming and ask you no, it's no good. And now say on his son, you are trying to bring discrimination. This boy, I don't know where this boy. Oh yeah, Abakiliki local government. He's not my brother. He's not my cousin. But all of us Igbo. If he had drama, it's not drama. Open no Igbo na. Can only remember Buruna. And I join Aka together. Justice for this. Open no Igbo na. Open no Igbo. Kaba Buruna Lagos. Moboroni Ubu. Mobo na South Africa. All of us will come back. Will come together. So justice for this. Kita bagbo mother. And ask, what will I write now? Number Kababuri the person. On end to Kababuri. On number. Very useless set of people. Over case bagbo man. All about demolition. Oh no. Now Lagos. All of us will come together. Sinandu undo fe mana frying anya. Over case demolition. On the baina na obodo ndugu. And I be together. Sina iyenda name na like roya. You understand me? But kita namba buru mado. They killed one of our brothers in Anambra State. Babu ozurori, ojirebe, mad na boso, iba ojiro manaka, ojirebe, omono oyo ne repu, ona hezuri, iba buya, ina some mechono, request kide, ndaran Anambra bwegide. Ina some mechono, kita bara tapu na anya, imegburo wogi na Anambra State. Me all ndara. Obuni be the parent of that boy that can't figure no feel. Obuni be one name okay, but the mother or the father. And ask him, why would I write a number there? May you never die well. You and your family, your generation yet unborn. No who. Don't worry now. May I call the liquid and secret to one after? Or maybe is it because I close mouth? Leak secret. Almost secret may leak online. Let me tell you, when I was in Anambra State, the Anambra no piweka na abu ejidendo ndakodo na piweka ejidende mad new police jidende mad. Open Anambra, I was there with Ndo Obosi. I have a friend of Ndo Obosi. Only one of the chairman na nako ticket no piweka. He's my friend. On about Nakachego, and near the guy name can't hear na account because in the POS. Did anybody bonya Abakiliki there? And a buyebu. Let me tell you. And a buyebu. To God who made me. The man told me, Ebonyi son. Okano murumunegina efro no here. Gwanda kahara pukina roro agburumon. Anybody jido burunya Abakiliki and a buyebu. But they didn't number a mayor rapuha. Are we not Igbos? Everything they make discrimination because he is not your brother. He is not your brother, family member. But anybody support this boy. He got 1 weekend or what? Please, my people, let me play the voice note. By on Sunday morning, the parent in Anambra State, he meet the commissioner of police. In the morning, Maroshiga buy her video. So that by the time I got that place, because when we can read there now, it was 1 million, more 500,000 here, the parent of the boy. The boy a mention, the parent of the boy a mention, more about threatening those people. It not gonna happen. Instead of that one, I go follow them, go Anambra State. Nobody, they don't bond them well. They don't bond them well. Instead of that one on Sunday, I will follow them, go Anambra State. They don't bond them well. I can anwara. And I call rubbish. Why will I write Anambra State? Real shit. Can play the voice note of one of somebody called me this evening. See my boy, so normal the boy very well. I know the boy. The boy is about 18 years. Now the boy and I hang we normal if name No Zubonda Bachar the boy Egbe. The security people in the main market. See them there, these security guys. See, you guys should go and carry that dead body. I Bachar the boy Egbe. Rap on the Wasa, rap on the Flani, no other place. Ebonyi have no Igbo, their brother. Buy Egbe. Flani man was there. Hausa man was there. Ibamuri Egbe. Obruwan Egbe Ebonyi, Bifro Igbo, buy Egbe. Because him and Ebonyi Hausa Egbe. He want Ebonyi Hausa Egbe, and that was like a revenge. Ebonyi Flani Egbe, that revenge. If you don't have one day go Ebonyi Igbo, he buy Egbe, rap here there, poor, or produce security no that place in there. Come back and carry this dead body before I be but brood the boy. If I can say the boy na van, Kohana man. You understand me? If I can say the boy, I say tear na moto Kohana man. I say and the friend you know there. I was happy and that was not there. I bought on the Egbe, I bought on Egbe at all. Agbara ndị egbe oru nwana yi nwoke bụ onye Igbo nwana gị bụ onye Igbo ịgba ya egbe isi mmechi ọnụ rie nshi even mgbe mere akwụkwọ tụwara aka n'ọba arrest I so mee video condemn go and check akwụkwọ onye nigo m 1 naira I don't know akwụkwọ tụwara aka n'ọba amara m ya for one day ebe mụ na ya fugo bụ na J-Park wedding Amaromia, but remember arrest, I stood for him. Video, condemn the things, and we freedom of worship. Open the check out, Ebona walk, open for human pass. Mono Buru, they may arrest, but this one, what if a woman for Buru mother? You understand? I video, Anambra State. Ndoba, Ebe Gora, Anambra State. Bundiba, Bunde, Nuguma, other people in that place. Video, condemn it. Let me play this voice note first before I will analyze the video. Get the voice note. Never can you as some again to Babuquegede. It's not Bembo, and I'm mad mayo, Mechion. If you do anyhow, you collect anyhow. If you do anyhow, I go live with a secret.
Boy, good evening.
Get it.
I'm on my Facebook for a post concerning the boy Agba yesterday na Ifechika in the market. The boy, I'm a the boy going Ebonyi State. Oh, a young boy in Abaron Bobby over there. Bobby na Nero Guan. The Congo Puta school because the boy over there, I think, is 16, 17 years. So, only the dog one, where was a job, without a job, when I sustain. Magino, one way in our shack, and the Magunuka would do it by city side. The boy, we got the possible, my boy, job on a bit faster. Man, I begin an answer, woman, and keep a sitting. You have to go. Na Roman Kukusero, Makuno Kusero, on our Sieba. So, yesterday, and we did not clean up. Wow, every day. So, toilet, Papa, the boy. Eugene, see, we ran a quangin. I'm gonna the Kangiri. When I shot the Sieba, I fell Yabo. Boy. So, I don't know. Eugene, Sieba. Njao sana no Njao sana kwa toilet there.
Inanea.
Yota.
Inanea nanda sana kwa there. Nanda sana kwa that place. Inorena nda sana there. Onya bonya mariyem the right person. The reason why onya acho yitinye yuri up na. Ochoroka. Na because na noise the main background. Of nobody room watch am. Banya this TV. But in a room tie by ga watch na room. You understand me? You Freddy boy kuna. You understand me now? Asina nanda wasana kwa de. Oburu wonde gwoke. Omore yesu. What if ogwa no nya abakliki na rudo ga chigbara yegbe. Emeni ifa na emoyo gbara mmade egbe na. Obasamu mo boya abakliki gbara yegbe o. Mo boye ugwa wasa gbara yegbe o. The boy need justice. That is what we want. So go there bronya wasa onya so go there bronya obodo anyi here ebunyere egbe na Udo gachi gbara egbe ọgbasa anyị sizo ọfụ ọkwa na onye Enugu ọkwa na onye Ebonyi steeti budeta egbe ọ bụrụ onye Enugu gbara ya ma onye abịa let this one serve as a lesson so they go learn because all the aka ndị mmadụ aka mgbe na ndị Udo gachi ba afọ gị emeghị intimidate you understand me emeghị intimidate na onye a bụ the right person called me onye no marry the boy ọfụma nwee shop n'ime ahịa but ọ chọrọ ka iri ya wee gosi Soludo abụrụ onye Ebonyi steeti na-arụ data onye Udo gachi you understand me enyi ka eme ife ọ na-eme onye gbagburu mmadụ onye a na-eme iwere egbe onye gbara ọkada 3 years apụta ewere school security nye onye nwere ihe ọma ndị na-handle gun bụ ndị nwere sense even film ndị ọcha na watch maọbụ video ndị ọcha na watch ọ na-abụ ndị ọcha na-achị like na-achị ndị Afrịka nsọnsọ ị ga-afụ onye ọcha nọ n'ime moto ma Afrịka ma nọ n'ime moto na ndị ọcha na-achị ya ka ejide ihe agbakwu ya egbe a ga-eme sure afọ na onye ejighị egbe na ide harmless they will not shoot you they will chase you and hold you onye nke na-agba ọsọ why did you go and hold him ị chụọ ya ọ nwere na-agbaghara singon ịgbapụ igbe egbe n'elu tom onye a owiko obenda down a reasonable force man ya gbanye egbe elu tom ịgbanye ya elu ụjọ ga-abụ ya arụ ọkwụrụ you come and hold him a reasonable person ịgbanye egbe elu na kpaa ụjọ gbaa ya arụ ọkwụrụ but this one ịgba ya egbe o jiri egbe o jiri mma o nwere onye na-akụ ihe o nwere onye na-ezu ori ọ na-anyụ nshi ị na-asị rubbish na nwere na-egekwa ntị o the lesson
onye Hausa na toilet buti ya nwa so ya ka o je yi nsị ahụ ndị Udo gachi so arụrụ ụlọ oji yi nsị ebe ahụ ndị Hausa nọkwa del wụsị ndị Hausa na-agakwa toilet del ịghọta ndị Hausa na-aga toilet buti ya nwa so ya ka o je yi nsị ahụ ndị Udo gachi wee gaa ebe ahụ ịghọtago mgbe ha ruzi de agbaba ọsọ ịghọtago wee gbagbuo ya nwa ka gbagbuo ya nwa ka hapụ ụzụ ya da place o wee kpụrụzie ndị Hausa na-apụ ka ọ na-apụzi ka security dị in charge that market Sokoto road ahụ for ndị ahụ a na-apụ wee sị ha na ọ dịrọkwa possible na ha ga-ejikwa megeni jee buru ụzụ ha gbagbu that security force ha wee jee buru ụzụ ahụ wee chi na moto pụba adụdị boy anya na-agwa gị kịta abụrụ ọ bụ na onye a na ọ bụrụ onye na-ese anwụrụ ọ da aṅụ dị ma mmanya na-eme n'anya sef because ọ bụrụ onye na-aṅụ mmanya na-eme n'anya ọtụtụ fe maọbụ onye na-aṅụ anwụrụ asị na anwụrụ ka o ji ise ọ bụrụ onye na-ese anwụrụ ọ nwere eto bụ obere nwa na-agbara onwe ya mbọ ma a chọrọ ịjọ na ihe ọjọọ sọsọ na ọ na-agbara onwe ya mbọ ji ga toilet because ebe a na-agwago ọ bụrụkwa n'ọnụ ndị dị ụtakwa ndị big man na-agbụ toilet jide ha banye ebe a gara onwe ha toilet those people na da like ịga toilet na private na public toilet a ịghọtago so ọ bụrụ ọsọsọ nọ ndị dị one a na nwụchakwa ndị ọzọ na-agasị o nọ mụ ka m ga-esi wee kpọọ ya ụbọchị nke dị boy eside bụ n'ụbọchị ọjọọ dịrị ya ka ọsọ o tetere ụra LG pụta ji rụọ ọrụ rute ego ọ ga-enye ndị be ọsị famili ha ji oyi ji hepụ ndị be ha wee je zụta ụmụ ya na-enwere ihe o mere na onwere netin so ọ nwere agasọ m mfu ya ha nsị ka m gwa gị na onye a bụ onye be anyị just that the overall commander ha dịkwa gasị ihe ndị a mere because ọ ya nwere onwe jikwa aka kpọrọ those people because the commander onye kọmandịrị agba egbe ahụ na onye gbara egbe ma ndị ọzọ so ha bịa ọrụ emesigo ha arrest tinye ha na steeti ya dị ọka so ndị overall commander ha ji agaghị ihe ha mee onye nwesịrị aka ha wee buru ha buje that place so mbọ ihe ga-enyere ya aka wee mee bụ itie mkpu onye isi eti mkpu ka ọ ghara ịbụ na-echi ha oru 1 week 2 weeks ejemegide kpụpụta ha ihe onye a egburu ọ mmadụ ka ọ bụ bụrụ anụmanụ ka mara afọ ha kwesịrị taa azụ egburu mmadụ ka ha taa ya biko o nwere aka ị ga-enye ihe ka eme gịnị ka ndị ata afọ ha kwesịrị taa azụ egburu mmadụ bikos ọ bụrụ na ị hapụ ha onye agha si nwere ike ha nwekwara ime nke ka njọ onye fụ ihe o kwesịrị ime ọ na-emerọ jiri maka na ọ bụrụ ihe nke gị enwere hapụ ya na ụbọchị ọzọ ime onye ga-abụ onye nke gị. So thank you so much. Jisike na mbe na-agba anya na-afụkwa gị ma ihe ndị ọzọ na-adị izigasị ma nke na-aga na Ebonyi steeti ma nke na-aga n'obodo ọzọ ihe ibuzikwa gata bụ kwuru na ndị Igbo ka ibuzikwa ọ bụrụkwa sa Ebonyi
na nugo ya bi echete m mgbe a na-eme presidential election Peter Obi pụta for election akwa m mmụọ m n'azụ nka nweda vidio na-emeri Peter Obi campaign ọkpọ na Ebonyi Anambra steeti. I don't discriminate. Ime ya dọrọ masị gị n'ihe ime ya dọrọ mma. Enwere video mention that it is not easy for a sitting governor ịkpọ South East content creators may he invite the first person n'ime ya bụ the governor of Anambra State. Ọ bụrụ Anambra State, ọ bụrụ Anambra content creators, South East content creators ndị chọrọ ịga aga that place. Ọ dịrị izi governor ime ndị a invite ime nke dị mma nsị gị write down ime like today na nga afọ ndụmọ oil and gas examination this night nga afọ ya na just pata na ọrụ china just because he gave me 500,000 does not mean ọrụ echi omeye ma like ro me mechi ọnụ ona VDM si eme ime na VDM gị na atọ ime ya dọrọ m ọbọ gị ike o nwere na afọ irie hey the only thing you do me ime ma arrest ime chukwu ma arrest somebody will throw call then go release me because egburo m mmadụ ezuro m ori araro m gị nwunye gị so yes my call 1 week or 1 month they go still leave me. You understand me? So now na go ya na that boy na anyu shi there unda wosa ma ndu fulani no there ha better place and a better place nda baba so this our brother baba so agba ya egbe why kick the bad mad egbe if na mad na agba so igba ara single nenu igba nenu po onya ga magbu because igba egbe na magbu anu na I will bend down igba na egbe enu that person will bend down. Let's tell ourselves nothing but the truth. Because no one also come and I say, what if this boy happens to be here? Have you asked yourself a question? I have a son here. I have a daughter here. How do you think I will feel? Put yourself in that shoe. Joke apart. You understand me? Put yourself in that shoe. Obula ogun aka gbogburu nwa go na chukwu jekwu ko gini onwere enye m ego nobody give me money nobody give me money Soludo enyere m 1 naira so I beg abro mo Anambra amonye Ebonyi state enyere m ego I just agam that place gaza call of the governor nobody give me shishi I can show with anything na anwu onwere enye m ego nga go that place enye m ego o ego fuel m isi Ebonyi state ka Anambra na chita duru easy. For me, for you to call me, mu arapo na mu buru moto mu gafugi, I ga kwumo ugwo. Odiri easy. So nobody give me money. Thank you. So you understand me? So open no nwa gike gbagburu like that, how will you feel? Open no nwa legi nwoke, mo nwa legi nwanyi, how will you feel? It is a high time we stop this nonsense if your joy is in the ma drama. Now as no emegonye barrier egbe arrest mando gari that in the gather movement emego arrest if anyone ekwu even one think gbogbo go after 1 week or 2 weeks a million rap those people because Nigeria is so corrupt. Nigeria is so corrupt. So if they kunabu by on Sunday morning the parent of that boy, Agbogonde Oku, they are going to Anambra State. But before then, I will rush and do video with them. You understand? So that when they go there, anything about her, if they come back, I will go and do video with them. If they ask me to follow them, I will follow them and go there. I don't look anybody face. Before I will go there, we are going to Anambra State government. By the special grace of God, we don't get the contact we need.
Unknown caller.
By the special grace of God, I am going to get the contact I need. That is number one. Hello? Jesus. Our family the boy can akpom family that boy. You man na gather place on Sunday. So family that boy be na akpom. Ko ya ban yeje na na. Ijo. I hope say na they see me well abi. Oh, thank God. Yeah, in Bubu Nigeria. Don't worry, life don't come back. Even Bubu Nigeria, they know they use like the joke. So you understand me? So by Sunday morning, Hanaga Anambra State, the parent of the guys here have probably to but before then me I'll go see them. Make one video, post online. What we need is justice. Amaranda Egbe. E me here na emoye gbagburu mmadụ. Onwe ye bụ ihe na emoye gbagburu mmadụ. Igbagbu mmadụ na. Onwe fa na eme ndị gbagburu mmadụ. Then they will compensate the family very well because for you to employ somebody incompetent, ogwa gata afụfụ ya. Before you make mad employ, whatever bunye, it can show no nya mari for them. They can't just free on na bokata ibure bunye. Ibure bunye oye na bokata, moye na bakake ibure bunye. So they will compensate the family very well. Because onwere mama that boy ogabu governor echi. Nobody knows ma that boy ogabu senator, mo governor echi. Egbugo enke anago. So I compensate the family very well. So I will go and do video there with the parents before they come to Anambra State. If they come back, I will still go there and do video with them. Kefa government of Anambra State were you guys. You understand me? Open the parents follow me and go. I will follow them and go there. The man will come off now. The commissioner for police of Ebonyi State here is my friend. The PPRO is my friend. I will call them a commissioner for police for Anambra State. The commissioner for police here in Ebonyi State is my big moment. The PPRO is my friend. Some must say, commissioner for police of Anambra State that we are coming. Or what if I watch? You can't kill somebody's son and make sure no, I have a son. What if I put on my son be able now? Not for you. You know, so by on Sunday morning, me meet the parent of the boy, make video before they will go to Anambra State. If they accept for me to follow them, go there, I will go there with them. As noro, I will stay because I will not force myself. But if they say go with us, I will go with them. You understand? So when if I make watch, they will compensate the family very well, and those people buru that boy. I can make fife. And they made them with no sense. Yes. Because he made mad employ. He got the show before he break with bunyan mother. He got the show no nya with sense. No nya do coordinated. No nya mari for name. You can't just come break with bunyan mother. Mother baba so. Keba ne mi eme. Open no check at this boy now. Bro black Africans. Open this boy no USA now. Or no black man. Only white man buy egbe. He gave me chono. I can see the life of black man matters. Man, so before you shoot, but only you defend yourself. But only weapons are very close to you. You buy able to defend yourself. But only what gives you the power to shoot? Or when you see that boy, no wanted, or whenever you picture that boy as wanted, no. It is a high time we begin to speak out. And make sure no. Odrozi again no. You know there again. In Odrozi, if you do anyhow, you collect anyhow. And Kabro gonna Mr. Master Pogo Saga. In my Buddha, you wake up in the morning. and second and walking walking number burie by a security man who's supposed to know their left and right. And that's mature. According to the voice note I'm play here, if this man is saying no man that boy very well, according to this voice note, no man the boy very well. Now the boy ana hang you on the boy ana has the ne bende mad doesn't like yoshi ka the boy ga yoshi the boy ga yoshi undu udogachi gabada place. You understand me? Gabada place phone there the boy baba also open no China. If you fix security you know run, but Nigeria here ever come encounter with some policemen or some. If I fuck up they go label me and nda marana na mu and omomu were ben sapota hasemo. That was in Enugu state. A policeman, some of them stopped me. They checked my driving license or didn't touch my papers didn't touch because they make sure that now my paper do complete so that ekusem na moto mbuputa kwonyegi it take chaya it was rubbish and say take me to office. Guys, you waste my time. So after those things I said this one not do like this. My I'm driving a tinted glass, the paper, the warranty of the tinted glass I draw like this. And see oga instead of what today can go this motor. I said yes I have to do this or this. And say okay take me to office. And I hide my driving license. You do my papers. I said take me to office. Okay, you think you have right? Do you know we can label you? Do you know we can label you a non-go man here? They say you can label me a non-go man. Or man na phone mo na nji phone mu. Na me check phone na record. Na ma you can label me a non-go man. Or man na nji phone mu. Na phone man na record. They say you will label me a non-go man. I say yes now. Do you have evidence? We can even put gun in your car. They say are you sure? I say yes now. You don't have any evidence. We say okay. We cut our phone. We do video go see the man. Say see this. Or shock what? The man shock what? Say I can shoot you here. Say, shoot me now. I don't send the video to my sister. I don't forward this video to my WhatsApp group. Or shock without come when you say I delete it. Say I cannot delete it. I will not delete it. So no, some of the security men in Nigeria here, some of them bundushi. Sometimes they will hold you. Or what if you make a worry about Tiaganaka? A worry about Mokokin Tiagin moto. That is why if you are driving a car, if they want to search you, look well. You know, running moto. Oh, we can say, open your boot. You balance na driving seat. Me pay boot. You will retain in me boot. So don't blame the boy. The boy na boss not from the security men, because the boy man Nigeria are not safe. We are not safe. In Nigeria here we are not safe. Both boundary police bundoshi. Undame na buskandoshi. Civil defense buskandoshi. Security man buskandoshi. When I was in Onitsha, age they go 3 security men. Gare kuka shopping mado. Security men ana akugwo. Obodi if you go on Onitsha before, he can mana ana akugwo security, asepa and security. Also Ebonyi state can batang mana ana akugwo asepa and security in Ebonyi state. For Ebonyi state here, a man akugwo asepa and security. But when you are living in Anambra state, he can akugwo asepa and security. Upon ana akugwo asepa and security. Only security na ande obiga kwaka shop mad in the night. So why won't that boy run? Why won't that boy run? And I say again, I wrote, Ebonyi son, you're not a good person. Your caption is no good. I wrote Anambra security man shot Abakaliki boy. Or only Nuku Anambra security man Baguru. Or he want me to each of Kandebo Lagos security man shot Abakaliki boy abi. Or Benue security man shot Abakaliki boy. Open that this boy is roaring now. If I get diabo, Abakaliki boy was caught stealing the main market on it. Oh yeah, biendo bloggers yebu. You understand? You understand me? Open those roaring now. If I get diabo, Abakaliki boy caught stealing in Anambra state. Abakaliki boy caught stealing the main market on it. Iga fundiga potaseki onda biene maybe Anambra state. na rubbish. No one na free anya. All because of that nonsense intimidation. Men see na Anambra State bata Abakaliki Eburu. I sold my 2 shops na Anambra State, and I came back here. The intimidation is too much. He get from the go check afia. Or say I'm a granada poke in Anambra na so happy. Is it because we leave you in Anambra na so here? I see Anambra na Bo State here na so here. I know a lot of people which are shop here. They are from Anambra. I'm from Anambra go chuno here. Na rubbish. So guys, don't worry. By Sunday morning, I will try as much as possible to see the parent of the boy before I go back Anambra State. You understand? Before I go back, but before I know Tomotobona, the 3 native doctor age or what I get from Kendebo State. Oye is Jesus, boy Anambra Oye Mpo. Eke hit, boy Okeja. So no make mistake. Akoko tuara kano ba bonyo oba. 3 of them were nke boy Ebonyi State. Imagine open one of them go na Anambra Ebonyi State. Imagine open 3 of them no for Ebonyi State. Or 3 of them go Ebonyi State. I think all of us are Igbo and you are being sentimental. No so Chukwemeka ketekpara chakwa ganya otorogba gbuo gide. Onwa gburu this boy gbuo gi gbuo family gi gbuo nna gi gbuo nne gi gbuo ya family gbuo ya unborn children. Ohu no so Chukwemeka onwa gburu this boy ona ki esi nwa wike igbu ohu onyara na rubbish. Chukwu ka m were anya m fọ gị nwere okposo ashia ọnụ onyara agbagburu mmadụ na asị ma being sentimental wa gị ị na-akọ m ihe nwere experience. Is it because I close my mouth? If onye nka don't allow me to block you. Ịkọ rubbish ma block wa gị epost m video na asị ha you show no ya Ebonyi State. Ha you show no ya Ebonyi State. Open na open Ebonyi State me post here. Oh my God, man, the boss send him the picture. He don't rubbish here. Request she get there. Maka the boy ya brother. Maka bro one day give okay because the bro ya son. Real she get there. Tozo. Anambra with discrimination. Ona kunote. Anambra people with discrimination. Ona kunondo neha. Anambra with discrimination. Ona kunusu bandi. Neha ona neya. Ndara obu no zurori na igana akiya obu no zurori na obu na dabo zurori na mema ketoni che jidia ba to ache naka iga se bonso come see your brother also nda na be say Anambra State come see your brother here nde flefu you can shigide. Don't worry, I go soon look in a secret. I get in a secret for handle. By the time I begin to pop it out, I go close mouth. And I start carrying a secret like this. Ebu miona, can do buaroshi izog. Ebu miona, ndara. I'm gonna make you only 6. So my dear, on Sunday morning, I will post a Magambe, the parent of the boy, video. Open on no rechi. I sleep and I wake up. Open a make maka onwo yozo. Nobody will talk about my son or my daughter, my mother boya. Nduzuzu. I'm a father, I know how you feel. I'm a father, I have a son, I have a daughter. Always just na mama garenyoshi. Na Igbo. Mama bo mwa Igbo. Ona garenyoshi. Igba Igbo boya. Isi mechono. Rien shiki there. Oh, kukwe there. Don't worry, can presidential election put a campaign. Side do not maybe campaign. I go kick against it. You never know me of man. Campaign got put up from that side. Someone has a presidential election. I go kick against it. Instead of that one to support on your house. Makachu came on again. Don't worry now. Go for your shoes. Put that there. It's not all choice election on 2027. if man be video, I go even do video. You got for. You know last time Nkunwa has now support P2B for presidential election. Are they crazy? Nduzuzu. Guys, see you guys on Sunday. Beg. Thank you guys. Kanza call the family of that boy in Akpom since. No verse. Good night.